Breathing and speaking, the mother of Kaylan Dowdie says the beaten teen is recovering faster than expected in some areas. The relieved mother is happy, but the teen now needs blood. Giovanni Dennis has his primetime news follow-up.
Shortly after midday, Saturday afternoon, Venetia Buckley is about to visit her daughter, Kaylan Dowdie, in hospital. The 17-year-old has been in intensive care since November 2020 after she was beaten into a coma by 5 women at an illegal party because one of the women allegedly didn't like the way how she looked at her. But for the first time in 3 interviews with our news team, Miss Buckley smiles when we meet. Her daughter is now speaking.
She is communicating via verbal, but it's not as we would loudly. It's more of a whispering, but you can read her lips and you can know what she's saying, and she's pretty good at it.
What is she saying so far?
She want to go to her yard every day. She want food every day. The nurse says she talk about curry chicken. Yeah.
Her joy and relief visibly evident 77 days after the ordeal.
I feel great. And it's better than just sitting there talking to her and not getting any response. And it's as if you're talking to yourself at most points. But now we can chat and we can laugh.
Kaylan is also making progress with her motor skills, but there are still challenges.
She's moving on the left side and not much on the right. She has feeling in her body, things like that, and she's communicating. So even though she's not breathing on her own, in other areas she is improving.
But the recovering teen has a low blood count, and Miss Buckley is appealing to anyone who is able to donate blood.
You go to the blood bank or the hospital, you tell them you're donating for Kaylan Dowdie, because they will give you a slip to say that you donated for Kaylan Dowdie.
And then once they get that slip, what do they then do?
They can either if they do it at UWI, they can leave it here, right? And if they do it elsewhere, they can either have me collect it, so when I come here, I can give it to them in ICU, or they contact me anywhere and I'll try and get it, or have someone collect it, but we need the slips.
She says family members are thankful for the outpouring of support thus far, but they still need help with medical bills. Venetia Buckley can be reached at 876-362-1827. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.
In the meantime, Ms. Buckley is asking persons who can to donate to the blood bank for other patients who also need it, not just her daughter.
Blood bank is dry from what I was told. So yes, and remember, she's not the only person that's in the hospital who needs blood. So, even if she got blood, it's still good to donate, because there are others that really, really need it and can't get it either. And based on the fact that COVID and everything is going on, most people are staying away from blood banks, hospitals, yada, yada. So, if you can donate, please donate.